Parents love all their children, but they know which one to call when the responsibility is big and when the responsibility is small. God loves all of us, but he doesn't use us all the same. For certain tasks, he picks certain names. According to our maturity, according to our integrity, according to our readiness, our willingness, according to our purity. He doesn't look at appearance. He knows our hearts. He loves us all though, but he gives us different parts. Can God trust you to speak for him? There's a door of temptation. Will you go in? It's not about age. It's not about size. Can God trust you to speak the truth and not add any lies? God is thinking, which one can I use for this task? Who will do the right thing even when the situation is tight? Who is willing to respond to my call for purity even at night? Can God trust you with the helpless, the homeless, the hopeless? Can God trust you with the children, the youth, the babies? Can God trust you around single women, single mothers? Can God trust you around attractive ladies? People often say, God loves you as you are, but they've not added this part, that God may not use you as you are. You can come to him as you are, but he doesn't expect you to stay as you are. He desires you to grow. He wants you to raise the purity bar. If you choose not to clean up, there's a limit to how far he can use you. For certain tasks, it's actually dangerous to choose you. Just like a parent won't give their child keys to a car, God loves you so much. He's like, nah, I won't take this one too far. I want to use him for more, says God, but I have to keep him at this level. If I give him more fame, more influence, this one will probably start working for the devil. So I'm not going to send him overseas because he might destroy many lives. He doesn't have self-control. He'll start sleeping with people's wives. So I'll keep him here local where I can see him until I can trust him to not keep falling for that sin. I'm looking for messengers, says God, who can represent my name. I'm looking for ambassadors who won't bring my name to shame. I'm looking for people who will receive the message straight from me and deliver it direct. I'm looking for men who have discipline even when they're erect. I love you all, says God, but I decide who I choose. Purify yourself, prepare yourself, make yourself ready and available to be used. God bless you. God bless you again.